So I'm going to talk to you about this polyamorous relationship I'm in, where I have this relationship with hundreds, if not thousands, of people. This polyamorous relationship where we talk about intimate things. I don't share any body fluids or any skin to skin contact with these people other than handshakes, right? And handshakes, even every hand you shake, the odds that there's been a bladder drain hose in it are very, very, very high, right? So we do that quite a bit. Some of these people I shake hands with, others I've never shaken hands with them, or just email, right? But these people demanded I come have an insanely intimate relationship with them and talk about my bladder drain hose, the thing that's been in most every hand you shake. And normally, I've always wanted to share my intimate relationships that included the body fluids and the skin touching, because it's been so insanely good that the people I'm with want to share it too, but they can't because of the shame that we all carry, right? But the shame, that's what intimate relationship is for me, is when you share your thoughts and feelings and your emotions with people, right? Which is when you talk to them about shame, the shameful things, right? The shameful things we talk about. And in this relationship, I talk to them completely, entirely, openly, and with complete vulnerability, because I've embraced vulnerability entirely and completely. But they don't, and that's the beautiful thing about this relationship. I'm going to share it with all the things I say and talk to them about what I see, and some of them will respond in some manner, right? But I get to share all of it because it's the police and the courts, right, that I'm having this relationship with, because they said that I'm a sex offender and charged me with one, and I represented myself. And right after I told them I was going to do the trial naked to prove that it's not illegal to be naked, it's illegal to do something sexual, something lascivious. They call it lascivious. That's what the courts call it. Sexual stuff is lascivious. And there was none of that. And I said, well, the only way the jury's going to figure that out is if I come naked, because the judge decided that he just kicked that part out. It says you have to be alarmed and lascivious. He just replaced the and with an or and decided, oh, there's alarm, we don't need the sex. Right after he said, no one's accused of doing anything sexual, right? There's no sex accused. No one's accused you of doing anything sexual, but we're gonna go along charging you with a sex crime. So yeah, I'm gonna share this polyamorous relationship I have with thousands of people, with everybody on TikTok or YouTubers and the internets, right? This year, in my 60th year of life, my 60th birthday. I was born in 1966. Along with my friend, let me do all this investigation into having this intimate relationship with these people are doing, because they don't talk to me, but they do give me what they've written down and thought about and recorded, because they're public servants. And on July the 4th of 1966, Lyndon B. Johnson took his hand and he put a pin in it, and he fucking signed the Freedom of Information Act in the summer of 1966 on Monday, the 4th of July. And then just shortly after that, on September the 1st, 1966, I was born. Ronald David Rocha was born the same year as the Public Information Act, and those two. And now, I get to share this polyamorous relationship that I have with people, and have this intimate relationship where we talk about emotions, because that's what intimacy is. It's sharing the secrets, right? The secrets that bring shame, the shameful secrets. And every relationship I've had, the reason they want to share it with other people is because I made them feel so much better, because they told me the shameful secrets that they had in their past. Quite often included the men that would sneak into the rooms when they were little girls. So now we get to talk about it. I'm so excited for this. Whew. Oh, what are you supposed to do? Oh yeah. Remember to like and comment and all the stuff that makes it go whoo all over the place.